So far, 4 bodies of the terrorists have been recovered, while the 5th body is lying across the Jhelum river onto the banks near the boat which they had used to cross the river. Large cache of arms and ammunition have been recovered. Of these, there are 4 AK-47, 3 UBGLs and 38 UBGL grenades, about 23 hand grenades, 9 IEDs and many such warlike items were recovered from these terrorists. This is the first infiltration bid of 2018 which has been successfully eliminated. The Indian Army continues with its resolve to keep a strict vigil along the line of control and foil such nefarious designs of Pakistan in the future too.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850, 2468-501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.